Ma'am, am I audible? Richa, ma'am. I think there's a technical glitch. Okay. So yes, I was talking about the this very vicious virus that is spread in the entire world and it has taken everything by storm. So I think we need to be calm and we need to stay in our homes in order to prevent the spread of this virus and to contain this whole pandemic. Until our guest speaker connect with us, kindly throw your queries in the messages box so that we can ask those queries to our guest speaker in the end. Kindly ask your queries if you have any from the last session, because at that time the queries were some queries were left like not answered very well. So if you want them to get answered, kindly provide them in the messages box. Ma'am, kindly turn on your mic. Richa, ma'am. Our guest speaker will be there in a short span of time. I think there's a technical glitch. Our technical unit is operating in this. Richa, ma'am.
Hi, Dipesh.
Hello, ma'am. Shall we begin the session? The students have been waiting since longer. It's been three
Yes, yes.
minutes,
Okay,
and they
okay.
have
We can
been
start. We can
excitingly
start.
waiting. So,
We
shall I
can start this
give the
session.
formal introduction, ma'am?
Yes, you can start, Dipesh.
Okay, ma'am. Swami Vivekanand once said, take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. With this notion's power and fire of knowledge, the Swami Vivekanand World Foundation is back with another installment of session with Miss Richa Nagpal, ma'am, in the context of personality development and business communication. I am Dipesh Pandey, your anchor for the session. This session is the continuous schedule of the previous session that you all had, and it is for all of y'all in this hectic time of lockdown and ideal time of laziness. This will surely be fruitful for all of y'all. The session will surely help you to attain confidence, boost up your dignity, and help you to refine your diligence. The Swami Vivekanand World Foundation is continuously bound on the path of serving the entire nation and will keep on bringing such commendable sessions. We want to engrave our efforts in completing the dream of our idol, the great Swami Vivekanand, the dream of a completely educated nation, the dream of a nation which can stand wide chested with pride. Let me introduce our guest speaker who shall deliver this business communication personal development session. With no further delays, she is none other than our very energetic lady of perfection and precision, Miss Richa Nagpal, ma'am. Kindly take ahead this platform and engrave us with your whole diligence and knowledge that you have. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Dipesh. Thank you so much. So, hi, all of you. I hope everyone is doing good. 42 people who have joined here. Like, you should be safe and take care of yourself because things are not that good. But still, education should never stop. We should not stop our, because it's the right time. As yes, examinations are not going on, things are not happening, so you have ample amount of time to get yourself prepared. In students, as we have dealt with communication skills, we have I have given you brief idea about what communication skills are and how can it will help you to increase your personal growth and everything. So now there is personality development today. It will be like a small session you out with various things that you should have as compared to the people who are not working on things. You should take care of that things also. Me, how many people like are not very much good in speaking along with their friends, or when they are in public they are hesitant that no, I will not talk, let other people do the talking. There are many, because at the end of the day we are not that much confident. हमारी बेइज्जती ना हो जाए, कोई हमें गलत ना कह दे, वो भी तो परफेक्ट नहीं है ना, क्या है, सब परफेक्ट हैं, गलती किसी से भी हो सकती है. सो हमारा जो टॉपिक है आज की डेट में कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स हैं. जब हमारी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी होंगी तभी हमारी पर्सनालिटी डेवलप होगी, तभी हम सक्सेसफुल होंगे. ये सब चीजों के लिए हमें मेहनत करनी है. मेहनत करनी है इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमें मोनोटनस हो जाना है कि अरे वही सब तो है यार, कैसे सीखें, बड़ा मुश्किल है, नहीं हो पा रहा है, छोड़ो यार. We do like this, no? At times it happens. So whenever you are going for an interview, suppose at this age also, people who are just starting their careers, who have completed their respective degrees, their graduations, their post graduation, everybody has time, because till the time we die, we have time to try, and you never know what will click, you never know what tomorrow will bring. So why to get disheartened? All right, you should start from day one. Things are very much down, people are feeling low, things are not going according to them. At certain students are those also who are just accumulating money just to go for something big, but things are not favoring them. They are wasting their money also, but at the end of the day are not able to gain what they want. Right, things are happening like this. So students, my first starting is personality development. Why personality development is required? जरूरत नहीं है, हमें बोलना आता है, हम बोल सकते हैं. See, if I am like confident what I am speaking, first thing is that you should be very very confident when you are trying to go to a meeting or going for an interview, right? But where that confidence will come from? एक दिन में तो नहीं आ पाएगा. रात भर सोए और सुबह उठे तो अचानक से हमें एकदम enlightenment हो गया बुद्धा जी की तरह और हम confidence हो गए, नहीं हो पाएगा. तो let's take small steps. Body language, expressions, knowledge. और गुस्सा भी आता है हमें, कोई हमारी बात को गलत बोल देता है तो नहीं यार हम अच्छे, हमें आता है. और हमें जो बोल रहे हैं क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि हम क्या बोल रहे हैं. 5-6 चीजें हैं जो एक अच्छी पर्सनल ग्रोथ को जन्म देती हैं. यू कैन से दैट इफ यू हैव 5-6 क्वालिटीज इन यू, you can be, it will help you to be a confident speaker. Right, people are going for an interview, they don't know why they are going, because person who is sitting next to you, why that person will hire you? You are just another candidate who has come for an interview. Why you? It can be me also. What extra you are having? Why should I hire you? So you have to be very much confident in your speech. Whatever you are saying, don't say in English. कोई नहीं कह रहा कि आप English बोलिए. English ये determine नहीं करती है कि आप confident हैं कि नहीं है. Don't take me wrong, students, but English is just if it is good, if you are trying to work on it, it is okay. But इतना मत सोचिए कि मैं इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल पाऊंगा तो मैं एक अच्छा स्पीकर नहीं कहलाऊंगा. बिल्कुल नहीं है ऐसा. आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज, कैजुअल जा रहे हैं इंटरव्यूज में, राइट, हाथ पॉकेट के अंदर है, दाढ़ी बढ़ी हुई है. Some people are in habit of chewing tobacco also nowadays. Students like ऐसा हो रहा है. तो see, other person will not take you just because you are like पढ़े लिखे हैं आप. 1000 हैं, बोल नहीं पाते हैं, क्या फायदा उस डिग्रीज का? कोई फायदा है नहीं है. तो दीपेश, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
दीपेश, ये बताओ जो मैं बोल रही हूँ सही बोल रही हूँ कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
लेकिन हमारे फाइल में लगी हुई हैं.
Ma'am, according to a survey, 80% of people sitting idle at their homes and they are having no job at all.
Why? हम इंटरव्यू देने 50 वैकेंसीज निकल रही हैं. देश में अगर आप काम करना चाहो तो काम की कमी नहीं है. Start. First step has to be taken anyhow. Right, Dipesh? So the students who are there, around 48 students who have joined me online, trying to do, I will just sort any 5 of them, any volunteers, and I just want to talk to them for 5 minutes. Just 5 volunteers, and then I'll see what best can I be. I'll just be noting down the difference. Any volunteers? Dipesh, just help me.
So, ma'am, okay, ma'am, sure, I'll help you out. But ma'am, just to make it very sure, it's an impromptu session type of thing.
Okay, so they cannot join. They cannot join.
No, ma'am, I'm asking to you, like the thing you're going to conduct, it is impromptu totally, na, ma'am?
Yes, it is impromptu totally.
Okay, so let's pick few people. Okay, I'm picking.
I'm not here to judge. I am not here to judge. It will just be like a thing. You can talk to me. I'm your friend. I'm not a teacher who is just trying to dominate you. We can talk. We can work together.
Yes, sir.
I'm here to help you out.
Okay, I'm picking up Anjali Chauhan.
Okay, Anjali.
Anjali Chauhan, the girl with DP of yellow and blue upper. I'm not sure because
Okay.
there are two Anjali, yeah. And
Okay.
at
Give me two. Just give me two. Just give me two. Let's not make it a lengthy session. Give me 2 or 3, not more than that.
Divyansh, who's having a black coat.
They are interested to
Ma'am,
participate.
they might be because they have joined this session, so they better got to be interested in this. Divyansh
Okay.
and Anjali Chauhan. If
Okay.
you
And
are,
who else?
ma'am, you just asked for the two. Shall I go for another one?
Uh, 3. Just go for 3.
Okay, let's go for three. It's very tough. It's really tough.
Okay. Let's start
Uh,
with these two. If anybody
ma'am,
is interested,
okay, I'm having Ria Soni, another one.
Ria. Chalo.
Ria.
Fine. Just unmute the line for Anjali.
Anjali, if we are audible to you, kindly unmute yourself. Ma'am, want to have a conversation with you. It's just a light-hearted conversation.
Yes. It is not like I am just trying to judge.
Anjali Chauhan, are we audible? Ma'am, I think we are not able to reach. Okay.
No issues.
Divyansh,
If it is possible.
yes, ma'am. Okay, we like your courage, man.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Divyansh. Very nice that you have
Good evening, ma'am.
Divyansh, this is like others. Are you listening to our conversation?
Just drop a yes in the message box if you are
Yes,
listening to ma'am.
that is important.
Yes, ma'am. We are getting plenty of yes. Like there is a whole range of
Okay.
yes we have got. Okay, let's start, ma'am.
Yes, Divyansh, let's continue. So,
Yes, ma'am.
Divyansh, you have just come for what you do, Divyansh. Tell me about yourself. First of all, in few words, tell me about yourself.
Ma'am, I am pursuing law from Uttaranchal University, Uttarakhand,
Okay.
and
Okay.
I belong to basically from UP, and I am a resident in Dehradun. And
Dehradun. You're residing right
yes,
now in Dehradun. Right.
yes, ma'am.
As you are doing law, so just a
Yes, ma'am.
5-minute session on any topic which you want to share with us. Anything, just 5 minutes. It can be in Hindi, it can be in English. I'll love to hear from you.
Ma'am, in law, I can talk about constitutional law.
Constitutional law. Very nice.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in that,
So,
it basically talks about our fundamental rights and our citizenships that all is enshrined in it, and our original copy is kept in the Vidhan Sabha, and
got your point. See, friends, it's okay, Divyansh. Thank you. Thank you so much, Divyansh, for participating.
okay, ma'am.
Dipesh,
Yes, ma'am.
just unmute the line, and I just want to say something for the session. I just want to address something.
Ma'am, you're already unmute. People are listening to you.
Okay. So, guys, my concern was कि I just give you 5 minutes or 5 seconds to talk. Right. हम पढ़ रहे हैं. Divyansh has started very good. He briefed me out. Recruiter will ask you like this: what are you doing right now? What are you doing? So this is a normal question which every recruiter will put you forward. He explained me very nicely that he's from this place, he's residing this, he's doing this, and he also started with his favorite topic, that is constitutional. Divyansh, my concern here is that you have talked about it's rights of people. That is very good, which you covered up. But just add more to it. I don't want you to stop. See, when people are talking to you, you should have a clear understanding of the topic which you are having command on. I just said to him कि talk on any topic which he likes. I didn't said कि मैं एक टॉपिक दूंगी जिसमें तुमको बोलना है. मैंने उसको ये बोला कि तुमको एक टॉपिक दिया, तुम बोलो उसको. तो सबसे पहले he has a clear expression, good, 5 marks for that. He speaks in an organized way, 5 marks for that. But knowledge portion was like थोड़ा सा कम हो गया. Maybe कि उसे लग रहा होगा कि ma'am will start looking for further things. But Divyansh, you should work on details of everything because people will ask you like this only. All right. When a session is going on, when a group discussion is going on, there are 10 people sitting around the table. Right. And I am a recruiter. I have to hire a candidate. So what I will do? I'll let everyone speak. Person is saying, भैया 10 लोग के बीच में बोलना है, क्या बोले, हमें कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए कि हम बोल लेंगे. हमारा टॉपिक है, आई हैव अ गुड वॉइस टू स्पीक, आई हैव अ क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, एंड आई, when you are speaking, just think before speaking. You cannot talk anything, and other person, you hardly have time because 10 people other are also in line. Time will go, sir, dear. Recruitment process going on. So I just want, please give some time to it. We have, if I'll say, what is the difference between private sector and public sector, just in 5 seconds. Just जो banking background का है वो मुझे 5 सेकंड में बता सकता है. Because let's move on to, as I have cleared it out, tell about yourself, area of interest. And communication skill is the starting point. You should communicate. कैसे बोलना है ये आना चाहिए. ये आने के बावजूद भी लोग नहीं बोल पाते क्योंकि they shy. Personality, they have not developed their personality to an extent where they turning pages, that you can very well do. Laptop खोल लो, 50 Googles की साइट है, डाउनलोड कर लो, सब हो जाएगा. Why I asked Divyansh to speak? Right. Dipesh, can I have a word with Ria?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
If she,
Yeah. Good
Yes,
evening,
Ria,
ma'am.
you are
Thank you
very
for the
much
support. Hello.
hello. Yeah, Ria, can you
Yeah.
hear me? So,
Yes,
Ria,
I can
tell me
hear,
about,
ma'am. Sure.
tell me about,
So I have we deal with the websites, application, and data
Hmm.
in this field. I have made an app. I have worked with websites too. So I have dealt with post 2 points, and I'm right now learning about the data, how to analyze it, and how to develop my interest in it.
very nice, Ria, very nice. This is something like that. We have a session of very, very intelligent people. Some are doing law, some are from IT background. Really love to be part of this group.
Ma'am,
So, Ria,
concoction of evolving minds right here. Seriously.
I can see that.
So basically, in application and web development, we can show our creativity to other people. Like we can show our point of view, like how we think, how we make sense of the situation in our mind and display to the world in our way of working. Such as if
Okay.
we have an idea of how we want this application to work, we can develop that application, we can design that, and we can show the world that that is an exception. There is this kind of design also in the market, like it out of the box. We can show
Okay,
the
Ria.
ideas that are out of the box.
Just a one
Yeah.
question, Ria. Suppose you are going for an interview. What are your plans? What do you want to do?
Okay, so basically, I'm right now learning on the data and how to analyze it, how to improve business
Okay.
with the help of data.
You are trying to improve business with the help of data, I believe. Right.
Yes.
So, what are your plans? मतलब you're planning for a job, or you like अभी क्या करने का scene है? Ria, where you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself as a data scientist in 5 years. Like I have set a goal
Okay.
for myself as becoming a data scientist, and I am right now starting to understand what data is, how to analyze it, how to develop, make the strategies for the business, how it will the business, like what
Okay,
benefits
very
the
nice,
business.
very nice. Ria has rightly said data played a very business development, right? Whether it is IT sector, whether this is law sector, as we have anywhere, data analysis is a very thing. Companies predict the pattern on the basis of data analysis. This job of dedication, I believe, Ria. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Lot of study So
Yes.
is it helpful in corporate culture? So
MVC
how it is,
company.
okay, that I got it. We call it as data mining, right? In management sector, we call it
I will be having this data and I will predict the solutions. Like basis on the past experience of the company, I will get the idea that what will be the future trends, and I can give an idea to the company, like to the head, like how
been shortlisted by a few companies, or it is like it is an ongoing process of giving interviews. अभी क्या status है?
no, ma'am. I'm still studying. I'm in third year. So when I will be
Okay.
in final year, I will get my interview opportunities. But
From
I'm
the
still working on myself. Because of this pandemic, I am having the ideas of it will be like I have to apply in the company, and there are ongoing campus interviews, but still profit.
yes, thank you, Ria, so much for telling me about. As I've spoken to Ria right now, I just got two things. The things after 5 years will be very much different from the things right now, because we are not sure what these 5 years will be all about. So honing your skills, maybe you'll be getting a virtual offer from a company. All right, you don't have to go for a physical interview. Nowadays, people are just taking a Skype interview, telephonic interview. So in that case, physical presence is not required. One is not able to see you. Maybe through webcam they can see you, but important thing is how you communicate. Has to be correct. Try to study. Just take out certain books. जो भी है, बात करो, study करो, और please try to improve. एक टॉपिक है, उस पे बात करो. कोई भी टॉपिक हो सकता है, क्योंकि किसी भी कंपनी में एक सक्सेसफुल और एक अनसक्सेसफुल के बीच में डिफरेंस सिर्फ कम्युनिकेशन का ही है. एक सक्सेसफुल आदमी अपनी बात कह के अपना काम करवा लेता है, और एक अनसक्सेसफुल आदमी ना बोल के चुपचाप बैठ के हम क्यों बात करें, हम तो यहाँ के राजा हैं, हम तो बात नहीं कर सकते. सो वंस यू स्टार्ट, देयर इज नो टर्निंग बैक. So starting point is today itself. Maybe I spoke to Ria, I felt good because she can communicate. There are other people, maybe I'm not able to communicate to all 56 who have joined, but there are certain people in the group also, in this online session also, who find difficulty in communicating. All right. So see, she has started. The purpose of unmuting these people and talking to them was not to just make you feel that कि नहीं तुम लोग नहीं बोल सकते, but एक brief idea देने का ये है कि कोई कभी भी मतलब you should be open to it. आज हमने पूछ लिया, कल कोई और भी पूछ सकता है. घर वाले पूछते हैं, घर में कोई पढ़ा लिखा आदमी पूछ लेगा क्या कर रहे हो, then you should also answer in such language that he will understand. Right. Best way, friends, you have 5-6 people who are your true friends, who will not judge you. Talk to them, sit with them, discuss strategies. Right. So now what I'm trying to say, कि we'll be having certain topics. I have planned it out, why globalization is beneficial, what private sector versus public sector, child labor should be stopped or not. These are certain topics which I'm trying to discuss so that we can, we'll be preparing on certain topics. Dipesh will be taking the things further. राइट, सो दैट हम लोग उस टॉपिक पे डिस्कस कर सके. एक एक चीज हम लोग टॉपिक लेंगे, जो भी आपको डिफिकल्टी हो रही है जिस टॉपिक में, जस्ट सेंड इट टू दीपेश. we'll be putting more material forward to it, and we'll be trying to, it will be like a two-way session, it will be an interactive session, right, where you people also can put your questions towards me.
Now we have
Dipesh,
different WhatsApp groups as well of the participants in which they can send their queries at any time. Our volunteers are open 24/7 to answer your queries. If you have any query,
Very nice.
any question, you can throw it over there. Otherwise, you are having our mail. We are on every social media platform. You can follow us there as well. So you can send your queries at any time.
Dipesh, I have still to go things. We have 53 people. अगर 53 people में भी एक एक घंटा सब उस टॉपिक पे रिसर्च कर लेंगे, then we have 53 minds working on it. Just understand that.
Truly, ma'am.
So it's no harm. I can also be monotonous session, book से पढ़ के बता के, मेरा बिल्कुल भी ऐसा कंसर्न नहीं है. it should be like एनर्जी आनी चाहिए. हम थके नहीं हैं अभी जिंदगी से, अभी बहुत कुछ करना है जिंदगी में. ठीक है, एक बार अगर आप पॉजिटिव सोचोगे, देन यू विल एक्ट पॉजिटिव. थिंक people that makes a person successful as compared to the people who are not as successful. Why 5-6 people are successful and why other people are not successful? Because they are confident, right? They have positive body language, they have a clear experience, they think before they speak, they have clarity, right? And one should able to work under pressure. If you are able to work under pressure, nobody can beat you on this earth. Pressure is everywhere. A doctor working 24/7 is under huge pressure. He is himself risking his life just to save the people. Should he quit his job? See, life is not a bed of roses, friend. हम जॉब करेंगे, हमारी लाइफ बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी, हमारी तनख्वाह डबल 5-6 डिजिट में आएगी, हम बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं होगा कभी, राइट? वट एवर यू हैव, फील गुड. फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट यू शुड फील गुड अबाउट व्हाट थिंग्स यू आर डूइंग. मोनोटनस है, नहीं है, जा पा रहे हैं, चीजें नहीं हो रही हैं, राइट? सम पीपल आर लाइक दैट कि सी एवरीवन सिचुएशन इज नॉट सेम, कि जो मेरी सिचुएशन है वो आपकी भी होगी और वो 52 बंदों की भी हो. एवरीबडी इज स्ट्रगलिंग हार्ड टू मेक देयर एंड मीट्स. किसी के पापा मम्मी पॉकेट मनी देते हैं, वही खुद कमाता है, राइट? रिसोर्सेज हमारे पास लिमिटेड है, बट हमारी डिजायर्स अनलिमिटेड है. ठीक है, अगर हम फ्रस्ट्रेट होते रहे कि हमसे तो नहीं हो पा रहा है, पढ़ लेंगे, डिग्री रखी है, कभी कुछ मौका मिला करेंगे. सॉरी फ्रेंड्स, दौड़ बहुत लंबी है, लोग भाग रहे हैं, हमसे कोई आगे निकल जाएगा, उसको मिल जाएगी नौकरी, हमको नहीं मिलेगी. ठीक है, आज की डेट में सब लोग नौकरी, डोंट टेक मी अदरवाइज फ्रेंड, आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेक इंटरव्यूज ऑफ पीपल हु आर कमिंग टू बैंक फॉर अ जॉब. They want job, they are ready to work for 8,000 or 10,000 rupees per month. Why? They cannot sit and study, maybe their financial positions are not allowing them, so they are trying to do something. अगर आपको मौका मिला है, अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है, पेरेंट्स हैं, पढ़ा रहे हैं, प्लीज यूज इट वाइसली, राइट? कोई ऐसा कारण नहीं है कि हम डिमोटिवेट हो, कोई ऐसा कारण नहीं है कि हम प्रेशर में आ जाएं. हम इम्प्रूव करते रहेंगे, 1 दिन 2 दिन 3 दिन 20 दिन 25 दिन, यही मतलब है सेशन लेने का, और कोई मतलब नहीं है. आप भी पढ़ सकते हो, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट की किताब है, मिलती है, पढ़ लोगे, अच्छे बन जाओगे यार, लेकिन उसको पर्पस सर्व नहीं करेगा. कितने लोगों ने न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना शुरू किया? टेल मी, लास्ट टाइम आर दीस स्टूडेंट्स द सेम लास्ट टाइम स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव जॉइंड अस इन द लास्ट सेशन, दीपेश?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, they're the same, ma'am, because WhatsApp groups are the same, so none of them has left so far. So I think they are the same people, basically.
So how many of you have started reading newspaper? Tell me honestly.
Ma'am, okay, we are getting some replies. Shad is saying I have, like, he's telling he has started. Okay, those guys who have
Tell me the
started
numbers.
implementing this thing of reading newspapers on a daily basis, can you drop a yes in the message box so that we can have this notion convinced that you have implemented this thing? Okay, ma'am, we are getting a lot of replies now. Akansha is saying yes. Ujjwal, अंशिका, सौविक, अंकित यादव, उदित तोमर.
ठीक है, जिसने नहीं शुरू किया है प्लीज शुरू करो, अपने आप से सच बोलो, जज यू, राइट? प्लीज रीड, टाइम है, एनर्जी है, आज नहीं तो कल कुछ अच्छा जरूर होगा. रिक्रूटमेंट आते रहते हैं, और किसी भी गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए ग्रुप इंटरव्यू, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उसके बिना वो आपको हायर नहीं करेंगे. आप कस्टमर्स, अल्टीमेटली एवरीबडी इज रनिंग फॉर प्रॉफिट. बिजनेस इज नॉट अ चैरिटी फ्रेंड. Changing their thoughts, action, process, it is for money, friends. They are not doing free of cost, right? So just try to make you very much sure, pretty sure with it. Ki please, whenever you are going for an interview, group discussion, hold command on the subject which you are displaying. Hold command on the things which you are trying to speak. Be very clear, do research, collect information from Google, from book, from teachers, from anywhere you can do that. But please be very sure, hold command on your things which you want to speak. And good knowledge of subject is the only thing that you can, मतलब it will put you to a different position as compared to other. आज की डेट में चाहे वो बैंक हो, चाहे वो गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर्स हो, चाहे वो कुछ कोई जगह हो, बिना इंटरव्यू के कि आपको कोई हायर नहीं करता. Will they do that? No. First step is interview. Why they want to take you in your interview? You are so knowledgeable, you are having MCom degree, MTech and everything. Why they are taking your interviews? They can hire you right now and perfectly now. No, because there are 20 people, 20, 30, 50 people. Out of that, what makes you successful? बोलना आना चाहिए, अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करना आना चाहिए. एक दुकानदार भी बैठ के वही कपड़ा बाहर लगाता है जो उसे लगता है कि लोग देख के अंदर आ जाएंगे. वो गंदा कपड़ा बाहर नहीं लगाएगा. The person will put the best cloth on the mannequin. Why? Just to attract your attention. You can attract attention only by having a good command over language. आप अच्छे बन के जा रहे हो बट आप बोल नहीं पा रहे हो. Sorry friends. Fashion show is not going on. Right? एक इंटरैक्टिव सेशन के लिए चीजें आनी चाहिए. चीजें तभी आएंगी जब हम पढ़ेंगे. जब हम पढ़ेंगे कब? जब हम डिस्कस करेंगे. Right? So friends, not to take it further because I have certain assignments to take care of. So Dipesh,
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you there?
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
So students, it's lovely talking to all of you. It is like a family of me that I'm talking to, right? So Dipesh, next session you'll be scheduling with me along with these candidates, and I'm giving
Yes,
you one
ma'am.
topic to prepare on. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll just convey you the topic. Reservation in private sector, reserve or reverse. Just note it down.
Ma'am, can you please tell it?
I'm telling 3 topics.
Reserve.
Anything you can prepare on, right?
Okay, ma'am.
It's reservation in private sector, reserve or reverse.
Okay, ma'am.
And second thing is corruption, very much prevalent in Indian society.
Yes, ma'am.
Third thing is child labor. I think
All right.
Divyansh will be able to prepare on this topic, child labor. Divyansh, I want you to prepare on this topic very deeply because you are part of this law and rights of citizens, I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
So please do the needful. I just want
Okay.
to hear, sir. I will also put some material, child labor, reservation, and corruption. Anything which you want to put. Some good stuff. All 55 students, I just want you to work on this. थोड़ा देखते हैं क्या होता है. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And we'll be having more bombarding session next time. Right, Dipesh? So I
Yes,
just
ma'am.
want to conclude here. Students, please be safe. Take care of yourself. Right? In case of any queries, just write me back. I'm available to your queries to answer. Right? Whatever I can help you out best, I will do that. I just want you to make you different from the other people. That's why we are here.
Ma'am,
We are-
there's a statement given by Ujjwal Shukla. He's saying that, ma'am, I have hunger to learn things every day. In fact, each and every day we learn something. It can be positive and
Very
negative
nice.
both. It's up to us that what do we observe more and what will push us ahead. So he's just trying to convey something. I'm not sure that I just read it just because I found it very unique.
Very nice. It's yes. So Ujjwal is there. Ujjwal,
Yeah, he might be. Ujjwal, if you're there, kindly unmute yourself. Mr. Ujjwal, yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
hi
Ma'am,
Ujjwal.
he's there.
Hello, ma'am.
Good Ujjwal, you are like learning things every day. We should, yaar. It's a not a, we are not 60 years. Modi ji, just learn from him now.
Ma'am, actually-
I'm not here to put a political view. Just spare me if I did that. But we try to learn from each other. At the age of 65 years, 60 years, he's having 100 things going on in his mind. अभी तो हम लोग
Ma'am,
बहुत
sorry,
जवान हैं यार.
I'm sorry that I'm interrupting you in between, but
Yeah.
we learn each and every second. In fact, we learn till our last breath.
Yes,
And what do we observe more? That is more important to us, and that will add to our
yes.
personality.
What
as
we
well.
observe.
Exactly.
And Ujjwal, one thing I want to say, it is not necessary that we should observe it from people who are highly qualified. Observation can be done from our mother, our father,
Yes, ma'am.
how they are
Ma'am,
managing things on daily basis. Right?
ma'am,
They are
observation
doing
can be done. Observation can be done from negative, positive, and neutral. All the three things.
very
And
nice.
what
I really
matters-
appreciate.
And what really matters is that what all the which one of these can push you ahead in your life and make you a successful person.
Very nice. Ujjwal, what you do? Can I have a brief introduction about you, Ujjwal?
I'm a research scholar of commerce
Okay.
stream, and currently
Very nice.
I'm teaching online through YouTube channel and also giving assistance
Very
in
nice.
technical background.
Yeah, acha, just message me your details. I will check. I'll just check. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Take care, Ujjwal. Keep safe. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, ma'am. It was really nice to talking to you, ma'am.
Same here, Ujjwal. Same here.
Thank you.
Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely, I'm
Your
here.
students are so lively that I feel good to talk to all of them. Really, matlab. Thank you, Dipesh. You made me part of this group talk. We
Ma'am,
can discuss things.
I also want to thank you for sparing your time from your busy schedule, and I also want to thank our designators of Swami Vivekananda World Foundation who have
Yes, sir.
like
Really.
brought this whole platform for us. We are
Platform.
really thankful to them.
Actually, because it was not possible, because after contributing your
Yes,
8 or 10 hours in your workplace, at your workplace, you hardly get time. But these sessions make you feel more good.
Yes, ma'am.
Just to
Refreshed.
go. Yes, refresh. Means 1 hour which you give or 30 minutes,
Yes, ma'am.
40 minutes you give, you feel good because there are people. Right. When you talk
Ma'am,
that,
there's a girl, sorry to interrupt, ma'am. She's asking for a contact number. Like, people are having so much of enthusiasm in themselves and they're so much impressed by your charisma and your persona that they're asking for a contact number. There's a girl whose name is Shreya Day. She's asking for a contact number. Dear ma'am, ma'am will be there, like seeing all the queries in the group. You can send your queries in the group, and our team will transfer all these queries to ma'am.
yes, please take me forward. I'm very happy that these 51 students should gain something from me. And I just want them to excel in every field which they are pursuing, because
Definitely, ma'am.
positive words has the power to heal you. Positive words has power to take you to a place where you have not imagined yourself in.
Exactly, ma'am.
So, listen to all of you who all are there. Please study. Please bring me something. If all 51 students will work for 1 hour each, then we have n number of solutions to a problem which we are facing. It can be any topic. Discussion can only make you ahead. It will clear your mind, because akele baith ke books padna is very monotonous. When you have interacting sessions, I have given you 3 topics. Just work on it. I'll also put certain light on things, some articles, some case studies. Right. So these are things which we'll talk about. And personality development क्या है, कितने courses हैं, क्या है, you all know. Book में बहुत कुछ लिखा है. Right. But friends, things will start only when you will work on yourself. Things begins with you. Your confidence. You are best than 100 people. हर आदमी के पास कुछ है, हर आदमी अलग है. लैंग्वेज डज नॉट मेक यू सुपीरियर. कि मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ, वो नहीं बोल सकता है तो वो खराब है. डोंट टेक इट लाइक दैट फ्रेंड्स. थिंग्स आर वेरी वेरी ब्रॉडर पैरामीटर्स पे जाके सोचो. हर आदमी एक जैसा नहीं है, सब अलग हैं. राइट. तो हमें अपनी जो भी कमजोरियां हैं, जो भी हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, हो सकता है दिव्यांश बोल पा रहा है, श्रेया बात कर पा रही है, देयर आर अदर पीपल हु आर हेसिटेंट. ऐसा नहीं है. Dipesh, I'll give you मतलब work to do.
Yes,
People
ma'am.
who just want to talk to me, जो मतलब थोड़ा सा weak feel करते हैं, they can contact me. I will help them out.
Okay,
Definitely,
all
there
right,
is no
ma'am. That's so
harm.
humble of you.
No, it will like that. Everyone should be happy and should gain something from this session, because when we
Truly.
are doing it, when we are sparing out time, I just want things to work for everyone.
Mhm.
Right. And
Definitely, ma'am.
thank you, Dipesh. Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you, ma'am. Basically, ma'am, I want to give my vote of thanks for the formality. Can I go ahead, ma'am?
Yes, you can go ahead,
Okay,
please.
I, Dipesh Pandey, on the behalf of Swami Vivekananda World Foundation, want to give this vote of thanks. And I want to extend a very hearty vote of thanks to our designators, participants, and of course, the ace of the event, Miss Richa Nagpal, ma'am, for gracing this live session on personality development and business communication and sharing with us your precious time. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for the technical unit of Swami Vivekananda World Foundation for coordinating well. Further, we are grateful to dignitaries for acing this event. At the end note, I want to make an announcement of an entire workshop by Richa Nagpal ma'am, which is soon going to be unveiled on our social media platforms of Swami Vivekananda World Foundation. That will be of a normal amount of money and would surely harness you the abnormal and maximum type of talent that you have. So basically, we are arranging for another workshop through the mode of Swami Vivekananda World Foundation of ma'am. It would be of a definite curriculum in which you will get different opportunities and different things to learn. So that was it, ma'am. Now you can go ahead if you have any.
Thank you, students. No. And if you have any questions, just mark it to Dipesh. I will be happy to help you out in everything which you are facing. Maybe a helping hand, a person who deal with I have a public dealing type of a profile. So I have analyzed people a lot. So in case of any queries, any problem, just come back to me. I will be happy to help you. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you, Dipesh. Let's
Thank
close
you
this
so
session.
much, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Dipesh.
And thank you all the participants for joining in, for listening patiently and deliberately, and also putting in your time for listening this entire session. It was really joyous and it was great having all of you all in this session. If you're having any queries, throw them in the groups. We are also available on every social media platforms. We are also having a website that is svworldfoundation.com. And other than that, you can contact us on our mail ID as well, the mail ID through which you have received the meeting links. On same, you can send your queries and we'll send them directly to ma'am. And still, if you're having anything to ask, kindly ask in the messages. I'm ready to reply for another 2 minutes if you have any query. So indeed, it was a brainstorming session for all of us. I can see loads of gratitudes, messages flooded in the message section. Join hands to like there are plenty of things people have written. I'm really overwhelmed for seeing such a like blended and a spacious type of response that you people have portrayed for all of us. Thank you so much, everyone. And okay, it seems like you do not have any questions. Thank you so much, guys. Now you can leave this session right here. We'll soon be there with more type of platforms and more sessions. And the two, one of the workshop that is paid will be unveiled on our social media platforms soon. So keep following us there. Just make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Telegram. We are all over there because it's the era of the sociality. So thank you so much, guys, for joining in. Now I can leave the session.